When all the aforementioned factors are taken into consideration in totality, then ocular account has not been found as confidence inspiring or trustworthy and hence cannot be believed, full stop. Though it was not mentioned in application for registration of case that one accused caught deceased and other made firing at him. However, during trial of the case, complainant stated that he identified second accused and told to the judge that said accused caught hold his deceased brother. In this regard, relevant portion from his statement is hereby reproduced, full stop. It is correct that when I identified the second accused, I told to judge that said accused caught hold my deceased brother, full stop. However, common prudent man does not accept that one accused will catch hold of the deceased and other will make firing upon deceased while taking risk of hitting of fire shots fired by him at his own companion, that is co-accused, who was catching hold the deceased, full stop. New paragraph. So far as recovery of pistol from appellant is concerned, suffice it to say that empties secured from the place of occurrence were found as not having been fired from said pistol as per report of Punjab Forensic Science Agency. Therefore, said recovery is inconsequential and is of no helpful to the case of prosecution, full stop. Likewise, so far as recovery of motorcycle from the place of occurrence is concerned, suffice it to say that in the application for registration of the case, leaving of motorcycle by accused persons at the place of occurrence was not mentioned, and even said motorcycle was not having been found as registered in the name of any of the appellants, and in this regard relevant portion from the statement of witness is hereby reproduced, full stop. It is correct that motorcycle which was taken into possession from place of occurrence is not registered in the name of both accused, full stop. New paragraph. As far as medical evidence is concerned, same is a type of supporting nature evidence which can tell about nature, local size and duration of the injury, but cannot tell about identity of the assailant, and in this regard guidance has been sought from the case of petitioner, full stop. It is by now well settled that medical evidence is a type of supporting evidence which may confirm the prosecution version with regard to receipt of injury, nature of the injury, kind of weapon used in the occurrence, but it would not identify the assailant, full stop. Nutshell of the above discussion is that prosecution has failed to prove its case against the appellants. Therefore, there is no need to discuss defense version, full stop.